I welcome you all to this video. Today I'm going to be teaching you about all the features on Pixellab. So the three apps we mentioned earlier in the group is about we have Pixellab, we have Canva, and also we have Pinterest that we use in designing. So Pixellab is the app that you can use to design without using internet connection, and this is very good because I've used it a lot of times. So let me start from this plus. See this plus, the first one here is text. You can use it to edit text, to write text like this one. Now you can just write text. It's for text, yeah. Let me delete it. You see this place, if you want to import the current date, you can see this is today's date. It's 12/06/2024. This is used to bring out the current date. The current date. Let me delete this one too. The next one is sticker. You can see a lot of sticker is there. You can use this one. You can use this. You can use this. A lot of stickers are there. If you want to use it to design, like this one, you can use it to design some business cards. We'll be learning most of it next time in our videos. The next one is shapes. If you want to import shapes, so this is shape. So we will explain later. There are still some items here that you can also use to design shapes. And this one is if you want to import from gallery. You can see. So just click where you want to import your image from. Okay, this one is not working. Okay, it's working. If you want to import any image, you can just import. Let me import this one. Yes, just import it. After importing it, you can see. So that is its own work. Let me delete it. So I think if you want to draw, you can see. If you want to draw anything in your design, just make some touches. So this one is for if you want to save as project. Let me explain further about this saving as project. Once you design, this one is for you design. After designing, you want to quit the app. So if you have any mistake with the design, maybe you design a business card for your client, and that's okay. I want you to put these social things for me. I want you to put social things for me. So you understand? You can just press this. So you have to save it as project first before saving it as image. So you can just use any name. So it will be saved as project. So whenever you want to come back for it, maybe you want to remove some things or you want to add some things in your design, you just come to this place where you can locate your designs. You locate it. After locating it, you design and you save it as images. So the second one is save as image. You can see. So after saving, you can just save it as image. You can see this one is if you want to remove the background. This was no transparency. This one you can change this to remove as PNG. If you use as no transparency, yes, that means this PNG is when you remove the background. This no transparency, just design if you design something, maybe like logo, you want to put it in another design and you don't want to go to remove.bg to remove your background, you can just use this one. So you can see. So this one, anytime you want to design, this is where the capacity, the quality of your design used to be. This is default, custom, low, medium, high, and very high. You can see I want ultra. You see. So I used to save as ultra. When you save it as ultra, the image will be clearer. It will be clear. It's very clear and sharp. That even if you want to design, you want to print it out as a banner or anything, you can just print it out. So that is all. So you just save as image, save to gallery. So I'll be showing you this one. If saved now, you see it in my gallery very soon. Let me just proceed. This one, if you want to share, quick share. If you want to share your design to Instagram, you just social media handles, you can just use this. Because of time, yes, you have to be fast. So this one is quotes. So you understand, motivational quotes. In English, you can use another word. It is in two languages. You have English and we have French. So this one is You can find word for motivation. You can see the why does at once what the food does at last. You can see. So motivational quotes. If you are looking for a success quote, we have friendship quotes, we have happiness, we have inspiration, positivity, and absolute. You just go to this quote, click on the word. It will appear on your design. You can see. Instead of you to be finding some word you can use for this, you can just come here to, So let me delete it. This one. This is if you want to use image from gallery, like import. You can see, I've explained that one earlier. This one, if you want to see the full screen of design, you can see. You can just take it back like this. This one, export image. If you want to export it, just like save, If you want to save it, you can see. This one, image size. Your image size. You can see. So it's also here. Just reduce this image size. If you understand. This contact us. If you want to contact the creator of the app, tutorials, remove all sorts of that. That's what we are going to use. So this one, let me use this one for some things. Let me import a from gallery. No, let me just leave it. This one you are saying here is if you are maybe you make a mistake or you mistakenly delete some things. So you just come here, press it like you can see. This is the word we copied from that quote chapter. Then you can see it is back now. Anything you want to do, it will just be coming back. You can see. So let me just do this. That's the function. This one is alignment. No, this is if you want to, maybe you are designing something, you want to show it clearly, just do it like this. You can see the design itself will be bold. It will be bold. So this one is alignment. We will explain this one further on our next video. You can see this one. This one we will explain it later. So let's come to this place. Yes, I talked about something earlier about our project. In which you save, you can just come here. You can see these are my projects that I saved. You can see I can just say, okay, let me go back and redesign some things in my. This is the design I designed earlier about my graphic design. This MRI graphics. And our logo is your satisfaction is our concentration. You can see. If I want to edit this, I just click on it. I'll just edit it. So that is the important of it. So, and this one is the background of the images of the. You understand? This is the background. You can see. You can just change it. You can just change it. You see. You can just change it. A lot of things are there. You can change it. So just come back here. So that is that for that. This one is about the text. So you understand? You can just edit your text. Okay, let me write MRL graphics. Graphics. MRL graphics. So you see. This is MRL graphics. You can see. So if I want to delete it, if I want to copy it, I can decide to copy it. So you understand. You understand further. Let me delete this. This is so if you want to copy it, this icon for it, that is it. If you want to move it to the front, if you want to move it to the back, so this one is position. But if you want to position it. If you want to position it to the front, to the back, to the left, to the right, so you can see. So this one is relative position. So you can see. You can move it downward. So you see. This one is L padding. You want to move it so that it will be showing very well. So you can see. So this one is if you want to put color, change the color, change anything from it. A lot of color. We have the gradient. That is if you want to use two colors in the design, you can see. You can use two colors. So you can see this one too. If you want to, that is this for that for that. So this one is texture. If you want to bring something like texture, if you want to explain this texture, I have to. Okay, let's stop here. We meet ourselves on the next video. By God grace, inshallah, we meet ourselves at the next video. By God grace, thank you.